Hello and welcome. You're tuned in to campus news from Holy Cross College, Nagercoil, bringing you the latest updates and highlights from our vibrant campus. News for the month of February. Fifth and 6th of February, International Conference. The Department of Mathematics at Holy Cross College successfully organized the online international conference on Applied Graph Theory and Topology, ICA-GTT 2026, marking a significant milestone in the academic calendar of the institution. The conference witnessed an enthusiastic response with 297 participants, including students, research scholars, and faculty members from 35 national and international institutions. A total of 71 research papers were presented, covering various areas of pure and applied mathematics. The conference served as a dynamic platform for academic interaction, strengthened research collaboration, and further enhanced Holy Cross College's reputation as a center of excellence in mathematics. 6th of February, International Seminar. A one-day international seminar on the theme Historical Knowledge and Technology in Building Sustainable Societies was jointly organized by the Department of History, Holy Cross College, and Thiruvidankode Muslim Arts College on 6th of February 2026 at Holy Cross College. Students, research scholars, and professors from various colleges actively participated in the seminar. Certificates were distributed to all the participants at the end of the program. This seminar served as a meaningful platform to explore the role of historical knowledge and modern technology in shaping sustainable communities. 8th to 14th of February, NSS Camp. NSS Units 76 and 77 of Holy Cross College organized a 7-day camp at Saviourpuram under the theme Digital Literacy for Youth. During the morning sessions each day, the volunteers engaged in various field activities including palm seed planting, canal cleaning, grass cutting around the village, sanitation drives, village-level surveys and mapping, and tree plantation initiatives. In the afternoon sessions, experts delivered awareness talks on various important topics. Sessions were conducted on the benefits of artificial intelligence and cyber safety, environmental protection, cancer prevention, legal awareness, and the harmful effects of alcohol and drug abuse. Training was provided on digital financial transaction safety and digital skills for future employment opportunities. The camp concluded on a vibrant note with cultural performances by the NSS volunteers. 9th of February, Campus Interview. The Placement and Career Guidance Cell of Holy Cross College organized a campus recruitment drive on 9th February 2026 at the Multipurpose Hall. The participating institution was AKT Educational Institutions, Kallakurichi. A total of 89 candidates actively participated in the recruitment process. The selection procedure included screening and personal interviews conducted by the recruitment panel. The event provided an excellent opportunity for aspiring teachers to demonstrate their subject expertise, communication skills, and teaching aptitude. Out of the 89 participants, 60 candidates were successfully selected for the offered positions. 10th of February, Crossian Utsav. Crossian Utsav 2K26, the state-level intercollegiate cultural competition of Holy Cross College Nagercoil, was held on 10th February 2026 at the Golden Jubilee Hall. The event witnessed enthusiastic participation from students representing more than 13 colleges. Crossian Utsav 2K26 featured a wide range of on-stage and off-stage competitions, including group dance, group song, mime, turncoat, dumb charades, fashion show, ad creation, face painting, pencil sketching, vegetable carving, fabric painting, doodling, photography, and poem writing. Participants showcased remarkable creativity, talent, and competitive spirit throughout the day. The overall winner title, along with cash prize of Rs 15,000, was secured by Mar Ephraim College of Engineering and Technology. The first runner-up position with prize of Rs 10,000 was won by Tirunelveli Dakshina Maranadar Sangam College, Kallikulam. The second runner-up title, carrying a prize of Rs 5,000, was backed by St. Xavier's College, Palayamkottai. 13th of February, Fire Safety Awareness Program. The Anti-Drug Awareness Committee of Holy Cross College organized a fire safety awareness program and drill. The program aimed to promote fire safety awareness and equip students with practical emergency response skills in alignment with Sustainable Development Goals 3 and 4. Mr. C. Pradeep Kumar, Assistant District Officer, Fire Station Nagercoil, along with 5 officials, served as the resource team for the session. Live drills were conducted and student volunteers actively participated in operating different types of extinguishers, including CO2 extinguishers. The water pipeline system installed on the campus was also demonstrated. The powerful gush of water reaching above the second floor level impressed the participants and underscored the institution's preparedness for emergencies. 12th of February, Eye Screening Camp. The Rotaract Club of Holy Cross College organized an eye screening camp on 12th February 2026 in collaboration with the JM Charitable Trust Nagercoil. The camp aimed at promoting awareness on eye health and facilitating early detection of vision-related issues among students and staff. A team of medical professionals conducted detailed eye examinations and offered necessary guidance. A total of 239 beneficiaries availed themselves of the screening. The initiative was highly appreciated and reflected the Rotaract Club's commitment to community health and service. NCC Certificates. The NCCC certificate examination for third-year cadets was conducted on 14th and 15th of February at Kamaraj College. A total of 13 cadets appeared for the examination. The NCCB certificate examination for second-year cadets was held at VOC College with 13 cadets participating in the examinations. The NCC cadets attended the examinations with discipline and punctuality, strictly adhering to NCC guidelines. The examinations provided valuable exposure, deepened their understanding of NCC subjects, and strengthened their readiness for higher responsibilities and future opportunities in the armed forces. 16th of February, Cyber Hygiene, Building a Secure Digital Culture. A seminar on cyber hygiene, building a secure digital culture, was jointly organized by the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, PG Department of Social Work, Department of English, SF, and Department of English Literature with Media Communication of Holy Cross College. The session aimed to create awareness on safe digital practices among students and faculty. The resource person, Abhinesh Kamal, Senior Application Security Consultant at Ernst & Young, Trivandrum, delivered an engaging and practical talk. The seminar proved to be highly informative, equipping participants with essential knowledge to build a secure and responsible digital culture. 21st of February, Research Day. The Crossing Center for Research and Development of Holy Cross College, Nagercoil, organized Research Day to honor outstanding research activities of faculty members and research scholars. During the program, research incentives worth Rs 1,17,000 were distributed to faculty members in recognition of their contributions to patents, index journal publications, book publications, and paper presentations. The Best Researcher Award 2025 in the Science category was presented to Dr. S. Sonia of the Department of Physics, and in the Arts and Commerce category, Dr. S. Ansimol of Department of Tamil. The Research Day highlighted the institution's commitment to fostering a strong and vibrant research culture. 23rd to 27th of February, Immersion Program. The Deanery of International Affairs of Holy Cross College, Nagercoil, proudly congratulated and honored the students who successfully completed the International Immersion Program at Lingen University, Malaysia. The program provided students with a global learning experience, offering valuable academic exposure, cultural understanding, and enhanced leadership skills. A total of 27 students and 2 faculty members benefited from this enriching opportunity. The initiative was in alignment with the vision and mission of the institution, emphasizing women empowerment, leadership development, holistic growth, and global competency. 24th of February, Intramural Cultural Competitions. In a vibrant celebration of language, culture, and identity, the Ethnic Elite Club of the PG and Research Department of History organized intramural cultural competitions marking International Mother Tongue Day. The event revolved around the compelling theme, Role of Language in Cultural Diversity. The event began on a reverential note with Tamil Thai Valthu, honoring the richness and legacy of Tamil language. What followed was a spectacular display of talent as UG and PG students lit up the stage with dynamic cultural performances that beautifully reflected the diversity of languages and traditions. 25th of February, Industrial Visit to IIST Trivandrum. Bridging the gap between classroom learning and real-world innovation, the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science organized an industrial visit to Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology, Trivandrum. The visit offered students a unique opportunity to step into the world of space science and advanced computing, exposing them to cutting-edge research facilities and emerging technologies. The industrial visit proved to be an inspiring and intellectually stimulating experience, broadening students' perspectives and strengthening their academic journey. 27th of February, Street Play. In a powerful effort to promote environmental awareness, the Eco Club of Holy Cross College organized a street play on the theme Impacts of Using Plastics. The program aimed to sensitize students to the growing dangers of plastic usage and the urgent need to adopt eco-friendly alternatives. Through a compelling and thought-provoking performance, students brought to life the harsh realities of plastic pollution and environmental degradation. 27th of February, Tirukkural competitions. Celebrating the timeless wisdom of Tirukkural, the Department of Tamil SF organized an intercollegiate quiz competition. The event witnessed enthusiastic participation from various colleges, with 7 teams qualifying for the final round, showcasing their knowledge and appreciation of classical Tamil literature. Mr. C. Vijay, Assistant Professor of Tamil from St. Xavier's College, Palayam Kottai, served as the quiz master and engaged the participants with thought-provoking questions. Konam Government Arts and Science College secured the first prize, winning a cash award of ₹1,000 along with a memento. The second prize, ₹750 and a memento, was backed by St. Xavier's College, Palayam Kottai. The third prize was secured by Konam Government Arts and Science College, receiving ₹500 and a memento. Aspirant College Award from Swayam NPTEL. Holy Cross College Nagercoil has added yet another feather to its cap by receiving the Aspirant College Award from the Swayam NPTEL local chapter of IIT Madras on 31st January. This recognition was conferred in appreciation of the college's active participation and consistent engagement in the Swayam NPTEL online certificate courses, which aim at enhancing academic excellence through quality digital learning initiatives. The award reflects the institution's commitment to promoting self-learning, skill enhancement, and academic enrichment among students and faculty members. These were the latest happenings from our campus at Holy Cross College, Nagercoil. Every day unfolds new milestones and memories. Stay connected for more inspiring updates in our next edition of Campus News.